Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT. So on the DOT chart, we have, as you know, a potential first 5-wave move to the upside. And then we've been watching for a corrective pullback, which happened. And the question is now, okay, has this corrective pullback already finished? Yeah, is it complete? Is this third wave rally into the $8 plus region already unfolding or not? And that's really difficult to say, DOT isn't doing enough yet in terms of impulsive price action to convince me that the third wave is unfolding. Also, as you know, what we are labeling here as wave 2, even though it is technically complete, technically. So the minimum requirements are complete. We have a corrective pullback. You can count that as a WXY structure. That's okay. Into the support area, even though we've got that and it really reached the minimum requirement, you could say, the 38.2 retracement level. The move up isn't really convincing yet. It looks very corrective still. It hasn't broken above the resistance level that I mentioned. So $5.64, that's the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement of the move to the downside. And that is a first level that would need to break for me to say, okay, it's probably not a B wave, something more bullish going on here. It could easily still be a B wave, yeah. So A wave down, B wave up, and then another C wave down. Absolutely. $3.96 really remains the bullish support level. As long as that level is holding, I would remain focused on the upside. There is, however, there are other support levels before getting to 396. We don't even need to go down that much. And ideally, we don't go down that much. So ideally, it's like 431, 458 or 486. They could be the next key support levels to watch if the price pushes into the support area. Yeah. So the 38.2 retracement is a key one to watch at 486. The 50% Fib level as well. That's, by the way, where we had the previous wave 4 low and previous swing high, for example. And then the golden ratio is going to be an important one because that's the one that acted as support here in June several times. And at the time it wasn't a 61.8 Fib level, but we have an overlap of Fib level here and structural support. And also you could argue that there was a bit of a breakout point here, that red dotted line shows that. Okay, so there is good support down there. Maybe we need it, maybe not. If we get a break above what I have labeled here as wave 1 high, which is at $5.90, I think we're already in the breakout. That's when I have to assume it. Above 564, a sustained break above 564 would already indicate that we are breaking out. And don't forget, there is this gray descending trend line. So the price is exactly at that level now. And if I zoom out a little bit, you can see that this is quite a relevant trend line that had several touch points here before. So we have a bit of a key breakout point there at the moment. There's probably holding DOT back a little bit. But a break above that level, if it's a sustained one, it's trying already. But if we get a sustained break above that level, including the 564 level, then the wave 1 high, that could really trigger a more bullish response. At the moment, it's just not very evident. So if the third wave has started, it's not very evident yet, especially considering that a third wave is normally quite a bullish move. So we have to be a little bit more patient to get here some clarity. And I think the next few days should answer some of these questions. Yeah, that's my update about DOT. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. There you can find additional content about technical analysis, Elliott Wave, trading, every single day. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.